Have you ever wanted to learn programming but didn't know where to start? Well, Python is one of the easiest and most powerful programming languages you can learn. In this video, I'll introduce you to Python, explain why it's so popular, and guide you on how to get started. Python is a high-level, interpreted programming language known for its simplicity and readability. It was created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. Today, Python is widely used in various fields, including web development, data science, artificial intelligence, automation, and more. One of the key reasons Python is so popular is that it has a simple and clean syntax, making it perfect for beginners. But don't be fooled. Python is also extremely powerful and used by top companies like Google, Netflix, and NASA. So why should you learn Python? Let's go over a few reasons. Python's syntax is simple and close to English, making it beginner-friendly. You can use Python for web development, data analysis, automation, AI, game development, and more. With millions of developers worldwide, there are tons of tutorials, forums, and open-source libraries available. Python is in high demand. Learning it can open doors to careers in software development, machine learning, and data science. Before we write our first program, we need to install Python. Here's how. For Windows, go to python.org, download the latest version and install it. Make sure to check the box that says Add Python to Path. For Mac Linux, Python is pre-installed on many systems, but you can always install the latest version using brew. Install Python 3 for Mac, or sudo apt install Python 3 for Linux. To verify the installation, open your terminal or command prompt and type Python version. If you see a version number, you're good to go. Now that Python is installed, let's write our first program. Open a text editor or an IDE like VS Code, PyCharm, or even Jupyter Notebook. In a new file, type the following: print hello world. Save the file as hello.py and run it using the command python hello.py. And just like that, you've written your first Python program. Let's go over some basic Python concepts that every beginner should know. Variables and data types. In Python, you can store different kinds of data in variables. For example, name equals Alice, which is a string. Age equals 25, that's an integer. Height equals 5.6, a float. And is underscore student equals true, which is a boolean. Variables store data, and Python automatically detects the data type. Control flow if-else statements. Let's take an example. Age equals 18. If age is greater than or equal to 18, print you are an adult. Otherwise, print you are a minor. This allows your program to make decisions based on conditions. Loops for and while. For instance, for I in range of 5, print I. This will print numbers from 0 to 4. Loops help in executing repetitive tasks efficiently. Functions. Creating and calling functions. Here's a simple example: def greet name. Return hello plus name print greet Alice. Functions allow you to reuse code and make your programs more organized. Congratulations, you now know the basics of Python. But where should you go from here? Recommended resources: official Python documentation at docs.python.org. Online tutorials like W3 Schools, Real Python, and Geeks for Geeks. Practice platforms such as LeetCode, Code Wars, and HackerRank. Start by practicing small projects like a calculator, a to-do list, or simple data analysis tasks. That's a quick introduction to Python. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content on programming. Let me know in the comments what Python topics you'd like me to cover next. Outro music fades in, and the video ends.